Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now today's topic is adaptations in plants and animals. Now all the features or attributes, all the attributes or features or characteristics or features or characteristics of an organism. Now, any type of attribute or feature or characteristics of an organism, that is morphological, physiological, or behavioral, that enables it to survive, जो इसको सर्वाइवल में मदद करेगा, and reproduce in its habitat or ecosystem is referred as adaptation. Now all those any attributes or features or characteristics, morphological, physiological or behavioral, of an organism that enable it to survive and reproduce in its habitat or ecosystem can be referred to as adaptation. The adaptations have led to the formation of some specialized and peculiar features. These features have evolved over a long period of time through the process of natural selection. Now these adaptations in plants and animals can be of two types. These can be of two types. One is called as phenotypic adaptations. Another is called as the genotypic adaptations. These are favorable changes. In morphology and physiology, favorable changes in morphology or physiology, which develop in response to changes in the environmental conditions, That means इसका मतलब है जो भी चेंजेस होंगे एक ऑर्गेनिज्म में, मॉर्फोलॉजी में या फिजियोलॉजी में, the ability of a genetically similar population, to undergo phenotypic changes. That means if they undergo phenotypic changes in response to variations in environment is called as phenotypic plasticity. plasticity. Phenotypic plasticity. Phenotypic plasticity and the phenotypic variants, जो variants यहां से बनते हैं, formed in a population due to changes in the environment are called as ecophenes or ecades. Ecophenes or ecades. तो मैं कह रहा था बेटा phenotypic adaptations अब क्या हो गई, जो फेवरेबल चेंजेस होती है मॉर्फोलॉजी या फिजियोलॉजी में ड्यू टू चेंज इन द एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस, उनको हम बोलते हैं फेनोटिपिक एडेप्टेशंस. अब अगर एक पॉपुलेशन है, इस पॉपुलेशन ये जेनेटिकली सिमिलर है, इफ इट हैज द एबिलिटी टू अंडरगो फेनोटिपिक वेरिएशन, अगर इसमें फेनोटिपिक चेंजेस आ गई ड्यू टू इन रेस्पॉन्स टू वेरिएशंस इन एनवायरमेंट, इन रेस्पॉन्स टू वेरिएशंस एनवायरमेंट में वेरिएशंस होंगी और इनमें फेनोटिपिक चेंजेस होंगे, लेकिन ये जेनेटिकली क्या है, सिमिलर. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फेनोटिपिक प्लास्टिसिटी. और इस फेनोटिपिक प्लास्टिसिटी से क्या होता है, जो नए बनते हैं पॉपुलेशंस, जो पॉपुलेशंस बनते हैं उनको बोलते हैं इकोफेन्स और इकेड्स. नाउ दीज इकोफेन्स और इकेड्स क्या होते हैं, एन इकोफेन और इकेड ऑफ ए प्लांट स्पीशीज is a population of individuals which although belong to the same genetic stock, they have the same genetic stock, that means they are genetically similar, they belong to the same genetic stock, but markedly differ in vegetative characters. That means they differ in vegetative characters. हमारे पास populations हैं, those populations are genetically similar, but they differ in vegetative characters or phenotypic characters such as size, shape and number of leaves. Size, shape and number of leaves में वो अलग अलग हो सकते हैं, लेकिन genetically वो similar हैं. Those are said to be ecophenes or ecades. This is another type that is called as genotypic adaptations. These are genetic variations. जो आपने लास्ट टाइम पढ़ा है, these are genetic variations. These are genetic variations which enable a subpopulation that is a division of population, that enables a subpopulation to adapt itself to a particular habitat and environment, at those conditions. Such populations जो हैं, such populations are called as the ecotypes. So I may revise that these are genetic variations. These genetic variations which enable subpopulations to adapt itself to a particular habitat and environment at conditions. Such populations are called as ecotypes. That means you can simply say ecotypes जो हैं, ecotypes are formed due to genetic adaptations या genotypic adaptations. Now this ecotype जो है, populations of individuals genetically different, you can other words say these are ecological subdivisions of a population or species, that evolve because of wide range of distribution and are genetically different. That means you can say there are subpopulations which are genetically different but morphologically similar. They are called as the ecotypes, and they have been formed. These different ecotypes जो है, that means divisions of a population, different ecotypes of a particular species may differ in their edaphic, that is with respect to soil, biotic or microclimatic requirements. That is, they are genetically different, but they need different soil conditions, they need different biotic conditions, they need different microclimatic conditions. But these occur in the plants, and lower animals. Now I may revise that there are genotypic ecophanes are genetically similar. Ecophanes और जो मैंने बताया अभी ecaids जो है genetically similar but morphologically different. Ecotypes, you have to remember, these are genetically different but morphologically similar. But they may differ in the edaphic conditions, biotic conditions, or microclimatic requirements. And these occur in plants and lower animals. And there is a transition area. Between two ecotypes. एक ecotype एक side में है. There are two or more ecotypes. हाँ, एक ecotype, for example, this is A1 and there is another, this is A2. These are genetically different but to some extent morphologically similar. The transition area between two ecotypes shows a gradual change from one ecotype to other, largely due to interbreeding. It is called as ecocline. जो इनका transition area है between two, this is called as ecocline. इसको बोलते हैं हम ecocline. यहाँ पर ecotype एक रहता है, यहाँ पर दूसरा ecotype है. अभी ecotype है, इनमें genetic adaptations हैं, genetic variations हुई हैं. These are genetically different, but morphologically they are similar. Now, due to interbreeding, they can develop a transition or overlapping zone. That overlapping zone जो है, that is called as ecocline. उसको बोलते हैं हम ecocline.